In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom WordPress theme using ChatGPT. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive walkthrough to help you design a needs tailored to your needs. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the ChatGPT website. You can do this by typing chatgpt.com into the address bar and pressing the enter key. Ensure that the page loads completely before moving on, as a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. Once the ChatGPT interface is visible, locate the text input area. Here, you will type in your query, enter the phrase, create a custom WordPress theme. This specific request will guide ChatGPT to provide relevant information and suggestions tailored to your needs. After typing your request, press the enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate the conversation with ChatGPT, and you should see a response generated shortly. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments, so be patient while the response is being formulated. When ChatGPT responds, look for the message that begins with "creating a custom WordPress theme from scratch." Is a great way to fully control your website's design and functionality. Click on this response to expand it and view the detailed instructions. This step is crucial as it contains the essential information you will need to proceed with your theme development. Next, allow some time for ChatGPT to finish generating the complete response. You may notice a loading indicator or a progress bar while it composes the information. It is important to wait until the entire response is available to ensure you do not miss any critical steps in the theme creation process. Once you have the complete information from ChatGPT, you can begin implementing the instructions provided. Keep in mind that creating a custom theme will require a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and PHP. Make sure you have a suitable development environment set up, such as a local server or a staging site, to test your theme as you build it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.